Literally every Asian has a rice cooker. Like, not being racist or anything, but literally every Asian household has a rice cooker. And if they don't, they're probably not real Asians.
But every word that you say now is blasphemy. All you are is blasphemy the past to me.
Yo, what's up guys? It's your boy Uncle Tito back with another video. And I don't know if this is gonna be its own separate video or it just might be a little quick segment in another vlog, but we'll see after I edit it. But today, depending if it's its own video or not, it's gonna be titled something DIY, something like that. But today we are making, what are we making? Oh, we're making spam and egg fried rice. What's up? It's a Asian delicacy. I actually don't know where it started from, maybe Hawaiians, Filipino. I have a friend back in high school, he was Filipino. We used to eat it all the time at his house. And then growing up in Japan, my mom and grandma always made it for me. So, you know, it's always nice to bring some of that, you know, childhood food back into, you know, your everyday life. Especially when you grow up, you kind of forget, like, you know, the stuff that you used to eat as a kid and forget how good it actually is. Most of the time, just because you forget, you know, that it even existed because you don't cook as much or you just cook different things. But I'm gonna shut up, we're gonna get right into the video. I got the pan, I got the little, this is not a spatula, it's a flipper. Fun fact, I don't know if you guys know that, but this is a flipper, not a spatula. You've been lied to your whole life. So I already made rice this morning, so just for the sake of the video, I'm gonna redo it, put this in a bowl or something. But yeah, just so you people who don't know how to make rice, you know, I'm gonna show you real quick. So, you know, step one, you gotta take your little rice bowl thing, the rice cooker bowl, whatever you call it. Then you grab your rice. Doesn't matter what kind of rice you have. I don't recommend long grain because I heard that's actually nasty. But I couldn't find the usual one my dad used to get, so I just had to go with the Mahatma. Oh, that was so racist. But anyways, yeah, America's favorite rice. This is actually not bad. Tastes the same. I think all rice is basically the same. Now, I never measure. I recommend you guys measure if you don't know what you're doing. But you know, I always just put just a little bit, just a good amount, enough for one human being, because I live by myself right now. And then you go smooth this foot. Go put some water in there, all right? We're gonna swish it around just a little bit, just like that. And you guys see it's murky? Yeah, you don't want that. So we're gonna pour all that out, splash, and we're gonna do it again. Second time, it's still kind of murky, so we don't want that. If it ain't clear, it might as well be beer. I don't know if that's a real saying, but it's my new saying for rice. Usually I just clean it 2 times. Some people are like, oh, you keep cleaning it till it's clear, but I think 2 times enough. And for all you people who don't know what's enough water, if you guys have seen Jacoy, you guys probably know now, but this is a real thing. I cracked up when I saw it on this thing. This finger, this first line right here, focus. Focus. This first line on your index finger, you just grab it and you put it in. The water's not up there? All right, keep going. Boom. All right, it's right there. And this is how you make perfect rice. Like, I thought it was just, you know, my family that knew it, but turns out, I guess it's just an all-around Asian thing. So shout out to you, Jacoy, putting everybody on the rice, or perfect rice making game. Cause some of y'all don't know how to make rice, and it's a tragedy. I think shout out mom and sister for getting me this little baby rice cooker. You know, it does the job. But yeah, if you guys don't have a rice cooker, you guys can always use a pot. Same rules apply. But guarantee you go to any Asian house, if you got an Asian friend, pull up to their house and guarantee they have one. Literally every Asian has a rice cooker. Like, not being racist or anything, but literally every Asian household has a rice cooker. And if they don't, they're probably not real Asians. But anyways, this one's really plain and simple. You know, just plug it in, boom, it's on warm, and we put cook. All right, that takes like 30 minutes or so. So now we're gonna do the spam. So we got our rice in a bowl. This is the rice that I made this morning. The other rice is still cooking. And gotta get the spam. Don't mind it, I cooked it yesterday, so this was the leftover, so I just threw a plastic bag on top of it. So don't hate. Cutting board. All right, get yourself a nice little cutting board. I need to back up the camera because y'all can't see. All right, so you got the cutting board. Gonna whip the spam up here. I guess this is all up to you how you want to cut it, for real. Because sometimes I'll just cook the spam like in the little triangle. I'll cook it in the little square shape that, you know, that comes in after I make them like thinner slices and whatnot. But for spam fried rice, spam egg, spam fried egg, spam, same. I always just make it into little cubes, so, you know, go dice one. Oh, this is not as smooth as when it first came out. And some of y'all hate spam. I don't get it. Like, spam is good, but I mean, I ain't gonna disrespect you if you don't like Spam, you don't like Spam. But like, some people have never even tried it. They just said it looks disgusting, that's why they never tried it. So I don't understand that. If you never tried Spam, you know, just at least try it. Shit. You can't hate before you, what's the phrase? I don't remember what the phrase is. Don't hate it, don't knock it till you try it. That's what I was trying to say. But yeah, boom. We're just gonna keep this up, so I'm gonna just speed this up real quick. Alright. Got all the Spam. Move this out the way. Boom, check it. Got the Spam done, all cubed up. So we're gonna throw it into the pan with a little bit of oil. I always use a little bit of extra virgin oil. Virgin. Alright, sorry. A little immature right now. You know, that's a little bit. You guys don't need a whole lot. You just want to like kind of get the pan a little saucy, a little greasy. I would just spread it around a little bit. And this is key, guys. The heat is on medium. Not high, not low, medium. Alright, so whatever, if you guys have numbers on yours, I would probably be setting 5. If you don't, just medium. Low, not high, not low, not too low, not too high. I don't know what I mean, medium. Alright, so we're gonna make sure that gets going, and then we're gonna throw the Spam in right away, because the Spam takes a little bit longer to cook. Actually, I don't know if you can eat Spam by itself, like uncooked. I think Spam's already technically cooked. I think you can honestly just eat out the can, but that's not the way. Always want to cook your Spam. You never know, especially nowadays. But yeah, we're gonna let this fry up a little bit. So the Spam's starting to heat up a little bit. You know, get your chef on real quick. You know, mix it around just a little bit. Bop, bop, boom, bam. I love the smell of Spam, honestly. Y'all are haters. I heard getting my Rachel Ray on, you know what I mean? Alright, so you know, after it gets a little brownish, you just want to move it to the side. Ooh, that was loud as hell. Okay, move all the Spam to the side, like so you make like a little circle. And now we gotta get the eggs. We're using the farm fresh, you know. But yeah, depending on how many people you're making it for, 2, 3 eggs usually does the trick. I think I'm gonna go with 3 eggs today. Because we have a lot of rice. You always want to base it off how much rice you have. The rice is going to take up most of the stuff. So we're going to turn the heat down just a little bit from medium, just so like the Spam can still slow cook, and so the eggs don't burn right away. Small eggs. Boom. Shakalaka. Ooh. That was a big splash. Oh, I got a shell in there. God damn. Oh, it looks like I'm eating eggshells today. Give the eggs some room to cook. You can make it however you want it, sunny side up, scrambled. I personally like my eggs scrambled, so that's how I'm gonna do it. The whole point of the putting it in the middle is just so the egg hits the pan first before it hits the actual Spam. But eventually it's all gonna get mixed up anyways. Like I'm mixing it right now, like look at that. So it doesn't really matter. I was just like starting it off like that, just so the eggs cook by themselves a little bit first. But you know, everything gets mixed up in your stomach, in your mouth. That sounded really wrong, but you guys know what I mean. Then once the egg is like mostly cooked, they can like leave it a little bit liquidy, and then we're gonna turn it on completely low. This part's completely up to you. I never throw salt in because Spam's already kind of salty as it is if you guys eat Spam. So I just throw a little bit of pepper in, you know, give the eggs a little flavor. So kind of hard to make fried Spam, Spam egg fried rice without the freaking soy sauce. I think we might have some soy sauce packets left that we kept around for a subchi. Maybe, hopefully. Soy sauce packets, please be here. I really need you. Oh, no mommies, let's go. What's up? We still got soy sauce packets when we ate sushi, like, I don't know how long ago. But yeah, this is the part where you throw in the rice. So we're gonna move the egg and the Spam off to the side like we do with the Spam to begin with. And then I like the presentation, you know? We're gonna throw the rice right in the middle. Ah. And then if you guys actually have the real soy sauce, not the packaged soy sauce, you know, you're gonna splash that bitch all over. Oh, that's a mess. Make sure you spread it out evenly. It's also another reason why I didn't add salt, because soy sauce is salty as hell too, if you guys know. And the goal is to have your rice look brownish, or just brown in general. You don't want it to be white anymore. You want very little white, because if it's still white, it's just plain rice. You want the flavor. I made this rice a little too sticky. Boom, all right, everything's all mixed in, looking delicious. Looking delicious. We got the egg, the Spam, the rice, the soy sauce. Oof, the rice cooker in action right now. Focus, focus. There we go. Rice cooker in action. But yeah, that's it for you guys. Hopefully I drop a little bit of knowledge on you guys with the finger thing, you know, the worldwide Asian renown. If you guys don't know how much water you need to put in your rice, that's how much. Remember, the first finger or the first line. That's the rule. But yeah, I hope I give you guys some insight on, you know, the little Asian culture we got. Maybe you guys make it yourself. I don't know. Most of you guys are probably of age to cook it yourself anyways. So for all you little kids, if you guys see this and you guys want to cook it yourself, make sure you have, you know, parentals or someone old enough that knows how to work a stove. But anyways, I hope you guys did enjoy it. If you guys did, make sure you guys go down and hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. Welcoming all new people. I love you guys. But anyways, as usual guys, this has been your boy Teal. Till next video, we'll see ya. Peace. Remember guys, you do you.
Into like fucking recess. And I was like, yo.